Hello, this is Joe McCall with World War II ETO Tours and Fred's Friday World War II Stories. For those of you that don't know, Fred B. McCall was my father. He was also a World War II veteran, and I've been telling his stories these last months. So on July 4th, 1945, he was home from the European Theater in Garden City, New York, making training film with Frank Capra, the movie director, about counter-sabotage. On this 4th of July, 1945, in New York, it was a somber occasion, and there was very little fireworks because there was a shortage because all the gunpowder was going for the war effort. So Fred was also training for going to mainland Japan for the invasion of Japan. So when I was a boy, I would ask my dad about fireworks and about how loud they were, and he always said, "This is nothing compared to war. The loudest firework you ever heard is not even compared to a 75 millimeter howitzer, a 105, or a long tom." He said, "Until you've ever experienced that, you've never experienced war." Thank you. Happy 4th of July.